In this video, we'll be looking at functions and graphs and domain and range. Now, domain is x. So what x values give us corresponding y values? And the range is what y values give us corresponding x values. Now, you have to ask a few questions in your head. One, is it a function? We do the function vertical line test. Okay, there it is. Only touches the line once, so it's a function. So we have to look at now the domain. It's all the x values. So we need to look at what's the lowest x value. So that's this way. Lowest x value. Well, that's negative infinity. Largest x value is 8. Okay, we don't go into it. That solid dot means that 8 is the largest and it's included. If it was an open dot like that, it's not included. So if x is the largest value, that means our domain is x is less than or equal to 8. Alright, the open side here, there, takes the bigger number, the biggest side. Alright, so x is less than or equal to 8. So now the range. So what is our lowest y value? Okay, -2. This isn't an arrow, so -2 is our lowest y value. Our highest y value is infinity, because this arrow goes all the way up, keeps going, it's not stopping. So if our lowest y value is -2, that means y has to be greater than or equal to -2. Alright, so that's our range. So we apply that same principle over here at our domain. So our domain, we look at our largest x value. Well, the arrow keeps going on, so that's positive infinity. Keeps going on and on forever here, so it's negative infinity. So that means x is in R. It's all real values. For every value of x, there's a corresponding y value. Because we've done our function test. It's a function and intersects once. Our range. What is our lowest y value? -1. If we go below -1, so down here, it's not on the graph, it's not included. So it's not part of the function. So that means y is greater than or equal to -1. Okay, because -1 is our lowest y value, and it's included because that is a solid dot. Alright, so that's a bit of domain and range.